The first one was the my mom is not afraid about anything. So it was about the really brave mom and how the kids help her to overcome her fear from the thunder. And the second was about magic or the Wizard of the Doors. So, and it was about going into the unknown world and meeting there the fear. So my main inspiration came from the Latvian artist Roza Stiebra. I really encourage you to look for her. She's wonderful animation artist. So I had recently the premiere of my documentary, All Birds Sing Beautifully. It was about the four really important birds in Latvian folk tales and ecology, and that they are distinguished because of people. And my next project will be about the same topic. Tim Burton is the first person to look for and to watch his films. And for me, especially important is Corpse Bride.